Hello, friends. Today, we're going on a fun trip to a farm to meet some amazing animal friends. Are you ready? Let's go. First, look at all the pets. Let's write it P-E-T-S. Now you spell it P-E-T-S, pets. Look at the dog. It's wagging its tail. Let's write it D-O-G. Now spell it with me. D-O-G, dog. Look at the cat. It's so fluffy. Let's write it C-A-T. Your turn to spell C-A-T, cat. Moo. Look at the cow. It gives us milk. Let's write it C-O-W. Now you spell it C-O-W, cow. Ba. Look at the sheep. Its wool is so soft. Let's write it S-H-E-E-P. Now spell it S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Nay, look at the horse. It's so strong. Let's write it H-O-R-S-E. Spell it with me. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Look at the goat. It loves to climb. Let's write it G-O-A-T. Now you spell it G-O-A-T. Goat. Oh, what's that digging in the ground? Look at the mole. Let's write it M-O-L-E. Spell it out loud. M-O-L-E. Mole. Look at the tiny ant. It's working hard. Let's write it A-N-T. Now your turn. A-N-T. Ant. Wow, look at the big bear. It's just a friendly one. Let's write it B-E-A-R. Now spell it B-E-A-R. Bear. Look at the rabbit. It's hopping away. Let's write it R-A-B-B-I-T. Spell it with me. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Quack, quack. Look at the duck. It's swimming in the pond. Let's write it D-U-C-K. Now you spell it D-U-C-K, duck. Look at the beautiful swan. So graceful on the water. Let's write it S-W-A-N. Now spell it S-W-A-N, swan. Look at the slow snail. It has a shell on its back. Let's write it S-N-A-I-L. Your turn to spell S-N-A-I-L, snail. Cluck, cluck. Look at the hen. It's in the coop. Let's write it H-E-N. Now spell it H-E-N, hen. Ding dong. Look at the bell. It's on the barn. Let's write it B-E-L-L. Spell it with me. B-E-L-L, bell. And look at the flag. It's waving in the wind. Let's write it F-L-A-G. Last one, spell it loud. F-L-A-G, flag. You did an amazing job today, everyone. We met so many wonderful friends on the farm. I hope you had fun. See you next time for another adventure. Bye-bye.